It's an unspoken rule that once a year, everyone gets on Minecraft and plays religiously for exactly 2 weeks. And then the SMP dies.
Why? Why do we go through this pointless cycle every year? Something keeps bringing us back over and over every year to play Minecraft. But why does the phase always end? Perhaps it's because Minecraft is always there. We can always get on next week or next month or next year, so we put it off and quit playing until we feel like we're in the mood to play again. Maybe we put such low value on it because we think it's never going to go away. But what if it did? What if you knew the next world you started with your friends would disappear? What if you knew every second brought you closer to the end of the SMP? Would you play together more while you can, or would you just not bother to play at all? Would we value the time we have, or does knowing strip it of any value at all?